I'm going to do a weekly update on my plants. This is a couple red romaine lettuce plants that I've got in my AeroGarden 8-pod system. The one in the back, I planted it actually about 3 months ago and it finally sprouted. And the one in the front's about a week old. And this is 2 red romaine plants in my AeroGarden system. And in my A-flat, got the California Wonder. I've got several bell peppers in here. They're throughout the plant. But this is my California Wonder. It's been growing for several months. And it's in my A-flat. And it's doing really good. And here's my orange hat. It's about 240 days old. It's sprouting new flowers. And I've got several tomatoes off of this plant. This plant has done really great and it's still producing lots of tomatoes. I still have several that's ripe right now. This is my orange hat. That's well over 200 days old. And it's still growing great, producing fruit every day. And here's my Tiny Tim, and I think that I grew this plant from some seeds I collected last year, and this is not doing really well. It's spread out, it's producing tomatoes, but it's not the compact plant like it was last year. But that's my Tiny Tim. And I just trimmed back my micro red robin. Still has several tomatoes and it's got new growth. I'll trim it back and it produces new growth. And this is on 100 days. I have it in my left pot, 15 pod LP Max. This is my micro red robin. It's at day 100. This is my AeroGarden 20 pod system. I was growing these plants to transfer into dirt, but I'm gonna see how long I can keep them in this water, which they're doing great. It's 3 bell pepper plants. And it's already producing bell peppers. And this is my AeroGarden, the 20 pod system. And they're doing really good. And here's my micro Tom. This is about 3 to 4 months old. Don't know the exact age on it. And it's in my AeroGarden Harvest. I trimmed it completely back, all the limbs off, and it's growing back real great. It's got lots of new blooms and lots of new growth. And here's some tomatoes that I've got off of it. But this is my Tiny Tom. This is supposed to be one of the world's smallest tomato plants. And it's about maybe 10 inches tall right there. And that's as tall as it's gonna get. And here's my Merlot Chinese cabbage. I harvest this about once a week. It's in my AeroGarden Harvest. And I can trim it completely back and then it grows huge leaves, and it's been doing this for weeks now. This is just an update on some of my plants. Someone also asked about how much these systems cost for electricity. And I think they're averaging out about 87 cents a month. It's real cheap to use these systems. And they produce real well. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.